You prayed, you trusted, and you waited. But nothing happened, and you start wondering, God, where are you? But God's silence doesn't mean His absence. Maybe God is silent because He is preparing something for you that you can't see yet. Don't give up in the waiting. Keep praying and keep trusting. Although they linger, wait for it. It will certainly come and won't be delayed. In Habakkuk 2 verses 3, the waiting is not the end. God is still writing your story. So whatever you believe in God today for, and we all go through that emotions, especially if God is silent, but know that we can stand on the word on Habakkuk 2 verses 3 that God says, He is not finished, He's still writing your story. Sometimes He is still, because He is busy behind the scenes. May you have a blessed week ahead of you and know that God is still writing your story.